Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Commerz Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then simply tap on the search box and then type in Commerz Bank application and start the search. Once you find the application for Commerz Bank, simply tap on the install button and then this will begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is, you will see the open button. You can then tap on it to open up the app, and now you can start using the Commerz Bank application on your smartphone and start banking immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Commerz Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.